Hey, Jesse here, Hot Off of Wheels. Thanks for tuning in. We're gonna go into this Kroger, do a little Diecast hunting, hoping to find the exclusive colors dropping for Hot Wheels for the Kroger Exclusive. But haven't seen a hide or hair of those yet. But we'll see what they have in store to offer up. So thanks for tuning in. Let's get right into this journey. Dun-dun-dun, dun-dun-dun. Got our hand basket. Let's see if seasonal offers anything up. Usually you'll find your shippers sometimes down seasonal. Not seeing anything yet. Very disappointing. We'll check the toy aisle and see if they have any little tables anywhere with their little 10 for 10. Yeah, so far no shipper. Not much to offer up here. Very low. Well, nothing there in the toy aisle. I guess we'll check their tabletops before we walk out. Let's check it out so far. No Hot Wheels. No Hot, oh, here we are. Here we go. Looks like maybe somebody might have already been here based on the Roger Dodger and the Mazda right there. Not sure. Some of it looks fresh, some of it looks like it could have been here. But I was here a couple of days ago and it wasn't this full, so they did put something out. So they put out a little bit of F case, a little bit of F and D case. Who knows? I'm gonna grab another yellow Nissan. Why not? Nice little casting. I like the color, so we'll grab it. I'm gonna also see if I can find a decent little Honda Civic. I like that blue Honda Civic, so we'll grab that up. Why not? We're already here. Couple of, I guess the little mystery machine right there. Boom. I know some people say they can't find these, but I can find these for days. Just about every time I come into a store, I can find like a Scooby-Doo or Barbie car or whatever it is. Everybody's like always saying they can't find the like that one right there. Boom. I might grab one just to throw it in a giveaway if anyone's interested in the giveaway. We'll buy one of them up. Like I said, it looks. I can't quite tell if it's. I mean, I know it's freshly laid in here. I mean, it's pretty new. It looks like Diecast. But again, I can't tell if a collector or somebody's already been through here. Another Mazda, but that's Diecast. I don't think that's yeah. Not sure if a Diecast was that super. I can't quite remember at this time. But there's really nowhere to put any of this stuff. Nowhere to go through any of this stuff really. Guess maybe I'll start in this corner and see if I can go through it. Little Cyclone. It's definitely nice. Just don't know, ladies and gentlemen, don't know. Don't know. Might be wasting my time, but another Mazda. Well, another Civic. Of course, not the Super. There's a second or third of the Mazda. A couple of, they got plenty of the Civics. Plenty of Civics to go around. Bronco, a little blue Bronco. Ooh, I do see something. Don't know. F case. It would be F case, I think. Oh, yes. Check it out. Check it out. It is a super treasure hunt. Boom. Check that out. Ladies and gentlemen, yes. I can't believe it. My super dry spell is over. I know. A lot of you are like, you didn't really have a dry spell. My dry spell has lasted all year. Mine typically only lasts maybe a month or two, but a dry spell is a dry spell. So that's cool. Can't believe we found this super. I hadn't even seen a treasure hunt yet. I don't even know what the I can't remember what the treasure hunt was for Diecast at this point. I'll have to look on my phone. But I am pumped about that. Oh, another Roger Dodger. Not the super. I wonder if this one has a different saying. What's that say? I can't even make it out right now. Hold on a second. So we can get focus. Without a doubt or something like that. Of course, you got that one. What's this one saying? Ask again later. So, a couple of different variations there. So that's exciting. That's exciting. I can't believe we found the super already. Didn't really expect to find anything in this, especially this far back. Why they're just putting out D and F case when they should be getting the new shippers for the exclusive colors? I don't know, but super is a super. I'll take it. Little Mad Props playing there, pretty cool. Wish there was a place I could put all this stuff. All I can really do is try to put it over on this side and then go through it and hope I don't pass anything up, because again, a lot of the stuff on the bottom I think is older stuff. Yeah, it looks older on the bottom. I've already more or less went through this older stuff here on the bottom. Not the super. I've already looked at that one anyways. Oh, there we go. Focus. I'm gonna go through this and I'll let you know what I find here in a second, but thanks for tuning in. All right, well, we're back out at the car. I did end up going through the entire thing, and that was the only super or only treasure hunt to be found. I didn't see any basic treasure hunts, only this one super, the Mazda RX-3. Those are just some of my other takeaways from this Kroger hunt. Kind of sad I didn't find any exclusives dropping yet, but you know, can't be too sad when you find a super like that in the wild. Kind of killing my dry spell since I found the last I think the last super I found was the, let's see, hold on, was the 5 E-Case Corvettes, I believe. I may have found one since then. I believe it was the same one, the E-Case Corvettes. I found like, I think about 8 for the year for the E-Case. But definitely I'm on the hunt for the Kroger exclusives. I'm still looking for the K-Case Super, the Honda Type R. And I'm looking for M-Case as well, and N-Case. And pretty much those are the ones I'm missing and looking for. So let me know what you're finding, what you're looking for. But just wanted to encourage you with that, just because a bin or display, it looks like it's been hit up. It never hurts to go through it. I'm almost positive somebody passed that up. They had the Roger Dodger 8-ball and the black Mazda. Both of them were a super at one point. They had those kind of up on display. You know, to make me think that a collector had been there, but yet somehow they end up passing the white Mazda up. So, you know, again, just because it looks like it's been hit up by other collectors or it's been there for months and months, doesn't hurt to go through a dump bin. Don't be shy. You know, take a dive and see what you can find. A lot of times, you know, it's going to be a dud, but every once in a while you get lucky. I've gone through dump bins, and again, all the cars been bent up and out of shape, and it looks like it's been there for years, and found things at the very bottom or, you know, halfway down or something. So a lot of people don't want to spend the time and effort to really thoroughly go through those. So don't be afraid to do that yourself if you're hoping to have some luck and finding maybe an older super. It might not be anything new or relevant if it's on the very bottom and it's been there for months or years, but again, a super is a super. It's still fun to go through, still fun to find. You know, granted, I wish it was the, you know, one of the newer, most relevant cases like K or L case or M case, but a super is a super. I'm not complaining. It's by no means my favorite super for the year, just because it looks so much like the mainline version. The only difference being, of course, the wheels and a little bit of the paint, although it's very hard to tell. Just looking at it, like kind of, you know, From a distance, it's hard to tell the main line apart from that, unless you look really up close. And of course, your biggest difference is the TH logo on the bottom of the door there. It's usually your Hot Wheels logo will be there. But that's about it. Not much difference really. But thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. So get out there and hunt. Let me know what you're finding, what you're looking for. And I look forward to reading your comments. And until next time, guys, take care. Best of luck. Get out there. Happy hunting.